I'm out! I'm out! No, 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 no! Buddy angry! Disarm now! Oh, excuse me. Oh, please!
Weirdly awkward.
Let's play make-believe instead! Ow! Oh my god! Oh! That's not good. Mama! Are you taking it? Guys? Oh, wait. You know any puppet modeling agencies? It's already too hot in here! I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright? Oh, pardon me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! What about
Weirdly awkward.
Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while.
It's a never-ending story.
Isn't that a bit much? You're killing me! I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder. No. That's kind of extreme. Do you like playing games? Think of your karma!
Aye!
Put it back. Yeah, just put it. No, not that. Oh. So cool! No. Care to dance? Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Pay attention to me. Hey, it's lonely in here. Nothing happens, and I actually like it.